Hello everyone, let's continue with AI animation in 3ds Max. Besides prompts, we can also guide the animation using poses. As before, let's first generate an animation using only prompts. Alright, we'll start by generating a basic animation. The results generated from prompts are often somewhat random. You can generate it a few times if the overall result looks good, but some poses aren't quite right. We can constrain them using key poses to make the animation closer to the result we want. The animation is now being generated. Please wait a moment. The animation has now been generated. Let's say we want the jumping pose to look a bit more distinctive. Click this button. Here, it creates an animation layer. On this animation layer, we can add keyframes, which are extracted as key poses. For example, at this frame, let's make an edit. Turn on auto key. Sorry. Around here, suppose I want the character to wave here. The 3 keyframes we created will be used as pose constraints to guide the character. We can also create more keyframes. For example, after the jump, I want the foot pose to be different. Let's make a small adjustment and key it. I'm not very familiar with keyframing, so we'll just make a quick example. Now we have a new pose. Next, run generate animation again. Alright, the animation is ready. Let's preview it. You can see it now incorporates the pose we created earlier. The jumping pose is now much closer to what we wanted. Of course, you can add even more keyframes to achieve more precise control over the result. Thanks for watching.